anyway. But make sure you can see, huh? Okay, but I think this one should be big enough for you to see. Okay, your case here.
Hi, Yukin.
Alisa is here. That's why I'm using this room today. Okay, she's sick. Okay, but she don't want to miss the lesson. Yeah, so remember last week, right? For differentiation, we got something called this one. Okay, I try to find a small space to squeeze. Okay, the power rule. Okay, so this is whereby you have something like this. Okay, so if you differentiate, so what you do is you will bring the power down to the front, copy this, power reduced by 1. Okay, so this is your power rule. Okay, so this is the first one, then you have the second one, and the third one here. Okay, so second one is the product rule. Okay, so probably you can just copy this formula somewhere first. Okay. I don't think you can go ask the Cheryl receipt. Okay, you ask her for some postcard paper. Okay, Elisa, copy. You don't screenshot.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't screenshot. No. Okay, you better copy. Okay, because you need this. Okay, so one is called product rule, one is called quotient rule. Okay. Haha, thanks. Then I'm too noisy with this thing here. No, Elisa, it's because you're too noisy. Okay, so for the product rule, right? Okay, so what happened here is if my expression, okay, y is like two expressions involving x times together. Okay, so this is times, uv is times together. Then if I differentiate this expression of y, okay, I will need to differentiate the first bracket, keep the second one, plus, okay, keep the first one, differentiate the second one. Okay, don't worry, I will show you more examples later. Okay, then for the other one, okay, this is quotient rule. So quotient rule can see by itself, okay, is something like this, fraction, okay, y equals to u over v. So when I have such thing, okay, what happens is that, okay, fraction, okay, denominator needs to be square. Then on top will be v times differentiate of u with respect to x minus u times differentiate of v with respect to x. Okay, let me know when you're done, then I can show you the examples. Okay, so we will focus on the first one, the product rule first. Okay, the product rule. So means is two expressions involving x times together. Yeah, I know. Waiting.
I don't really get it.
Hmm?
I don't get it.
Yeah, I will show you example later, then you will get it. So just remember this one, okay? Let's wait for your kin to copy finish first. Okay, you're done, you let me know, okay?
Okay.
Done, okay. Okay, I will just erase whatever I don't need for now first. Okay, I still maintain my product rule, so you can refer to that. Okay, so rule the worksheet, right? Okay, let's start with something simple first. Okay, so your worksheet question 11A, I have this. Okay, I have this one. This is x cubed or x squared. Can't see. Yeah, you have. I passed it to you last week. Never bring. This one, the 3.1.
Oh, 3.1.
Yeah. See, okay. Last week, what? I said question 11. Okay, so this is your question 11A. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so you have to let y equals to this. Okay, then the next thing is, let me change your color. Okay, so this one, the good thing is I can have different colors. So if I differentiate this one, so you see this one, okay, I have two expressions times together. One is x cubed, then the other one is this 2 plus x squared. So it's two different expressions times together. So according to the formula above, okay, what do I do? So I will differentiate the first one, keep the second one. So I differentiate the first one means I differentiate this. Differentiate this is, yeah, okay. So differentiate this will give me 3x squared. Okay, so I will just differentiate the first one. Okay, it gives me, yeah, I know, but I can't see. Yeah, so if I differentiate this, I got 3x squared. Okay, then the second one, remember the formula here, I just need to keep it. So the second part will just be this, 2 plus x squared. So it's times in between. Okay, then I'm done for the first part. Then let's move on to the second part. So I need to plus, okay? I need to plus. Now what happened? Now is I keep the first one. First one this, okay? I keep that. So that is x cubed. Then I need to times. Now is I differentiate the second part here. 2 plus x squared. Okay, so I differentiate 2 plus x squared. I have bring down the power, copy your bracket. Power reduced by 1 is just 1. Okay, then remember you need to differentiate what's inside your bracket here. Differentiate x is 1. So if fast enough, next time you don't have to write the 1 and 1 behind. Means this part here actually no need to write. Okay, but now I'm just showing, so that's why it's there. Okay, so after you're done with that, okay, now you simplify this expression. So this is 3x squared, 2 plus x plus, okay, what do I have here? So this part here, you simplify, this is 2x cubed, 2 plus x. Okay, so this one is your final answer. But remember, for math, we always want to give your answer in the simplified form. So what do? You need to factorize. So you look at your common factor here. So what is common factor? Common factor is, I have x squared. I have this 2 plus x. So what should I have? So I will take out x squared. I will take out 2 plus x. Okay, so what do I left for the first one? So for the first part, if I take out x squared, I left with 3. If I take out 2 plus x, I still have 2 plus x. Then the second part, if I take out 2 plus x, I take out x squared, I left with 2x. Okay, so this one you just need to write one more step. I have, this is x squared, 2 plus x, then times, what do I have here? This is 3x plus 2x, so it's 5x plus 6. So this is your final answer. Elisa, okay?
Still a bit confused.
Which part is confusing?
Oh, just the thing in general.
Okay, so you just remember you have two expressions times together. So you need to differentiate only one. Okay, then the other one you need to remain. Then after that you need to plus. Then you switch the rules.
I confirm or forget one.
Yeah. So now you have to start to remember. Done. This one. Okay, you can. Okay. So I will erase this. Do I have a bigger eraser? Don't have. Okay, fine. Okay, when your eraser is very tiny. Really? Why don't have such thing? Have man? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then next one, let's look at B. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, you have this one. What's that? 1 minus x squared. This one is cube.
This is what 11B.
Yeah, correct.
Oh.
I'm still at 11, don't worry. I know this two will take some time, so yeah, I will do it slowly. Okay, so just now, right, I show you what I normally do. Okay, this is, I want to apply my formula. Okay, you can do this, the alternate method. Okay, so you'll see which one is more suitable. So if I do this, okay, remember your formula is this, right? Then you have this thing equals to du over dx times v plus u times dv dx. Okay, so what I want to do is based on that. Okay, let me find du dx first. Okay, so du dx is just this thing. Okay, differentiate. I have minus 2x. Okay, if I differentiate u only, I have minus 2x. Then I want to find dv dx. Okay, so dv dx, I have this part here. So this is 3x plus 2 power reduced by 1. Differentiate inside is 1, so I don't want to write that. Okay, so I got this 2. Then what do I do next? I want to plug into that formula I have. Okay, so I will have dy dx equals to du dx, which is minus 2x times v. So v is x plus 2 power 3. Then plus, now is u, I need to copy, 1 minus x squared times dv over dx, which is 3 times x plus 2 squared. You can do this. Okay, then after that, you still need to simplify. Okay, no choice. You can never run away from this. So this is common factor here. X plus 2 squared. So the first one I will be left with minus 2x times x plus 2. Then the second one I will be left with 3 times 1 minus x squared. Then you simplify your brackets. So what do I have here? This is minus 2x squared minus 3x squared minus 5x squared. Then this is minus 4x. You can leave as this. Okay, I don't think you can factorize. So yeah, that will be your final answer. Okay, so it's either you write this or you want to put the 3 in front. Okay, so this will be your final answer also. Can Elisa?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I will just show you one more. Okay, one more, I will go to part E. Okay, I will go for part E. Okay, so you have this one. Okay, this one, of course, you can use quotient rule. Okay, but this one, if you look at the question itself, it asks for product rule only. Okay, so for this one, the catch is, okay, normally I don't like to use quotient rule because I don't want to write fraction. So I will change whatever I can to something times together. Then I use my product rule. Okay, then y'all can see what you want to do. You can use quotient rule, but if the question here, they ask for product rule, right? Then you need to do the change. Okay, so for this one, before you apply your any rules, okay, change this to this. So now you have two expressions times together. Then you can use your product rule. So what does your product rule say? I differentiate the first one, so I differentiate x. So I differentiate x is just 1. So it's just 1. Then I copy my second one. Plus, now I keep the first one, I differentiate the second part. So to make it clear, the second part will be minus 1, 1 plus 2x power reduced by 1 times differentiate of the bracket here, which is 2. Okay, so differentiate 2x is 2. Then you have to simplify this. This is 1 plus 2x. Okay, then for the second one, you have minus 2x, 1 plus 2x, power minus 2. So we normally will need to factorize. So for the power minus 1 and minus 2, which one is the common factor? Minus 2 or minus 1? Which one is of lower power?
Minus 2.
Yeah, minus 2, lower power, minus 2. So it's 1 plus 2x power minus 2. Okay, so the first one, if I take out power minus 2, the first part will be left with 1 plus 2x. Okay, it will left with 1 plus 2x. Then the second one is minus 2x. So you see the second bracket here is just 1. So what do you have as a final answer? So this is my final answer. Yeah, because the second bracket, if I simplify, it's just 1. Yeah, then for this power minus 2, I change back to fraction form. Okay, it will go to your denominator. Can Elisa okay? Can't see
Yeah.
Elisa's face, so I don't know if she okay or not.
Can.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so now please try C and D. Okay, the two of you. Oh, Elisa, you know you can draw also, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Mm. Okay, this one still not so bad. It's quite easy. Partially no. And Elisa,
I don't know.
yeah, you don't fall asleep, ah?
I'm not.
Yeah, need to spot check. Thinking, should I bring it down? But I can't see.
I think I got part C, but it's probably wrong.
Okay, it's okay.
I forgot how to differentiate like the bracket.
From the outermost layer, remember the power bring down first. Copy. Yeah, she is very sick. Sleepy. Oh, cause okay, you all have okay, yeah. It's not your have to know. Okay, cause yeah, I've been working last night till 4 a.m. Yeah, something urgent for my work, so need to get it done. This one is not full time. This one. I think the only bonus point, right, of Elisa being sick, right, is she's very quiet. She will not be like talking to herself. Hey, really, Elisa, you think you never talk to yourself already, right?
No, it was just last week.
Or maybe inside your brain you are talking to yourself. Then that one we don't know.
No, I'm too tired.
Mm. Done. Okay. Is this thing really useful? I don't know. I'm curious. I never used this, I think. Elisa, can you try to talk?
Huh?
Or do you hear us clearer now?
Yeah?
Got difference?
Huh?
No difference. Okay. Yeah. What's the purpose of this? I think Mr. Ting will kill me. Yeah, I don't know what's the use of this. Don't know how to simplify. Okay, please, you guys really need to think how to simplify. If not, your differentiation, you're already gonna suffer. I won't say you will die, but you will suffer. If you can't simplify, that's a very big problem.
Hey, I can draw on the thing, eh?
Yeah, I told you can draw.
Yay.
You can draw for part C or not? I want to see your answer.
Huh?
No, don't, not this drawing. Walking,
eh.
please. Oh my God, Elisa, you sure you want to use the... Your font is very thick. The width.
I know. Wait, I need to change the line.
Yeah, can change to a thinner one. If
Okay.
not, we all cannot see. This is better. You can see her name is the Elisa is drawing.
What did I write? Eh? Oh. I don't know. I need how to one. I forgot to differentiate the 1 plus x power 3.
Yeah, but now the first part is correct.
At least.
Yeah.
I think. Is that times 2?
Why do I times 2?
I don't know.
No, it's
Oh wait. Is it like need to differentiate this one and times this one?
Yeah.
Huh?
But you got 2 me? Differentiate 1 plus x.
How to differentiate again?
Differentiate 1 plus x is what? So you differentiate x, right?
You
So
said x is 1.
Yeah, it's just 1.
Huh? So it's 1 plus 1. Huh?
No, plus. Where got 1 plus 1? Differentiate 1 is 0, dear.
Huh?
Differentiate 1 is 0.
为什么?
No x, what you want to differentiate with respect to?
Huh?
There is...
Huh? But isn't it like x power 0?
Yeah, so you bring down 0 to the front, is 0 times something is still 0, right? Trying to tell me after differentiate is 1 plus
cos
1.
x 0, right?
Yeah.
Then this whole thing is equal to 1.
Yes.
Then your x 0, you bring down the 0. Then isn't it x negative 1 here?
Yeah, but 0 times anything is 0, right?
Oh, yeah, okay, 可以.
Yeah, she's trying to tell me differentiate 1 is 1. Okay, continue, please.
Okay, wait. So it's just times 1.
Yeah,
Huh? So there's no times 2. Oh, okay.
you can don't write, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. I didn't write the times 2 at first. Then after that, I thought I have to differentiate or something. Then I differentiate wrong. Then I times 2 everything.
Okay, so the Elisa we know is back already.
Okay. Time to continue.
Yeah,
Then times 4 x squared. Is it cause like it times this
yes,
thing?
correct.
Oh.
Yeah, so this line is correct. You don't need to write already. Okay. So as long as you get the first line right, then very unlikely you will get a final answer wrong. But if you do, then I also don't know what to say.
Okay.
Ayo, this one is wrong. You see, your still my first one is better, right? Your this, okay. You can continue, right? Finish this one first.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So when you factorize, right, 1 plus x squared is the common factor. That's correct. But this and this also got common factor.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, your 8x and 4x squared, they also got common factor. You can
Okay.
divide
Okay.
already.
I will try. Huh?
Yeah.
4x.
This one, if I take that 2, 1 plus x, okay.
4x 1 plus.
Miss, come here. You're trying to write what? How many x squared here?
Me?
Not you lah, you can.
Oh, I continue now.
Something not so right here. Where is the fourth? Where is this? This is 12, is it?
Yeah, because we are bring this thing.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Then what do you have? Yeah. I think it looks okay. Here, let me see.
Is this correct?
Wait, I'm checking.
Oh, I can draw a straight line.
Hey, Alisa, not for you to draw.
I answer already.
Okay.
Yeah. So part C is okay. Part D may not be seen right.
Can draw diamond also.
Ayo. Yeah, I saw. I said no. Part D might not be correct. Yeah. Okay, so part C answers correct. Okay, part D is the one. Okay, so you see clear
This one
viewers
correct?
drawings. Yeah, correct.
Oh no.
Why?
It's not what I wrote.
This one? Correct what?
Wait. Okay.
You mean you don't remember what you wrote, is it?
No. No, because of the answer that I wrote at first was wrong. Then
Okay, I give you some time, 1 minute. Faster. The problem is part D.
part D I stopped halfway.
And the answer looks a bit weird. So I need to go through.
I stopped after like first line.
Okay. You're done here, Elisa?
Yeah.
Okay, that's clear. Clear viewers one. Okay, then this one here, that's drawing. So this one, right, if I differentiate, okay, so your key is using the method like this is U, this is V, okay, that's fine, okay, so I can differentiate U.
Oh my gosh, is it raining at that side?
Yeah, how you know?
It's raining on my side also. It just started raining.
I think probably haven't start soon. So if I differentiate U itself, I have minus 3x power minus 4. Then if I differentiate v with respect to x, I will have 2 times 1 plus 8x. Power reduced by 1. Differentiate the bracket is 8. So this is 16. 1 plus 8x. Then if I were to put everything together, okay, I will have minus 3x power minus 4 times 1 plus 8x squared plus 16 times 1 plus 8x times x power minus 3. And this how it follows.
Kind of.
Okay, so
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so you can do this method if you can't do the differentiate y with respect to x straight away. So after I done here, okay, what do I do next? I need to factorize. So I have x power minus 4 and x power minus 3. So the lower power is this one. So I will take out x power minus 4 times 1 plus 8x. Okay, because this part here only got 1, okay, not square. So if I do that, what do I left with? So I will left with minus 3 times 1 plus 8x. Then I will have 16x here. Then I simplify from here. Okay, so here I have minus 3 minus 24 plus 16. I have this. Do you have this one? I think somewhere is not the same. Okay, so this is what I have. Of course, you can continue to simplify. Okay, or if not, you can leave it as this.
Then the x negative 4, you put 1 over x 4.
Mm.
Then the rest.
And is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I will say for differentiation here, right? The first part is make sure you know how to differentiate correctly. Then the second part is the simplifying. Okay, you need to simplify until you get it right, not to get it wrong. Okay, let's look at the next one. Question 12. Can I clear all this? Can I?
Yeah.
Didn't happy. Okay, so question 12, right? Now you have something slightly more. Okay, so if I look at part A, what do I have? This is what you have, right? Square root. So, okay, time to test for your search and indices. This is the same as x minus 2, 1 minus x squared. Oh. Power how much?
Negative.
Power how much?
No, half.
Ah, ah. That's why I say it's time to test for your search and integers.
Huh?
Square root means power half.
Oh.
Yeah, then you can
Okay.
differentiate. So now I differentiate as per usual. So I will be just keep switching between the two methods. Then you'll see which one you're convenient with. So dy dx is, I will differentiate the first one. Differentiate the first one, is just 1. Then I copy my second
This is
bracket.
12A, right?
Yeah, 12a.
Okay.
Then I will copy the second bracket, which is this. Okay, then now I will need to, keep the first one, which is x minus 2. Then I differentiate the second bracket, this one here. So if I differentiate this, what do I have? This is half power bring down to the front, 1 minus x squared. Power reduced by 1. Half reduced by 1 is how much?
Negative half.
Yes, minus half. Then remember, you need to times the differential of whatever is inside the bracket here, which is minus 2x.
Huh? Oh.
Okay, so it's either you straight away go factorize, or if not, you can write then simplify first. So let's simplify first. What do I have? 1 minus x squared power half. Then the second part here, this is a half, there is minus 2x. So it's minus x times x minus 2 times this. Okay, then now I can factorize. Common factor is this one here, lower power, minus half. So what do I have? 1 minus x squared power minus half. So if I take out this, okay, your first one will be left with 1 minus x squared. Then the second one you have minus x times x minus 2. Then you simplify this one, what do you have? This is 1 minus x squared minus x squared minus 2x squared plus 2x. Okay, but we normally, we will change this back to fraction. We will change back to this form. Elisa, okay?
Yeah.
Can I clear this? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's look at 12b. What do I have? So this one is the same thing. I will differentiate the first bracket, which is 2, 1 minus x power 1 times differentiate is minus 1. Then I copy my second bracket. Then I need to plus. Now is I keep the first bracket. I differentiate the second one. So differentiate this, right? So take note, everything is inside the bracket. So I can just differentiate as it is. Differentiate 1, 0. Differentiate x is 1. And differentiate x squared is 2x. So after this one, I will just factorize this thing. So what do I have? 1 minus x minus 2 plus 1 minus x this is minus 2x squared plus 2x minus x, so it's plus x plus 1. So this is what I have. Okay, done. Then please finish your CDE. Elisa?
Yeah,
Okay, can I CDE?
yeah, done already.
So fast.
Huh, what?
Part C, Part D, and Part E you finish.
Part C, D. Oh, no. I thought you asked if I finished copying the question.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I got so fast. You kids and I haven't started doing. Then, why? Alicia, you okay?
Still doing part E.
Oh, okay.
Okay, part E completely wrong.
Okay. How about C and D?
Okay, go through part E.
Which means your C and D are correct, is it?
Huh?
Your part C and part D.
Yeah, both correct.
Then we have to wait for your key.
Okay.
Your key, your part C, okay? Do you have the same answer?
I put the 1/x3.
Also can. So the rest is the same, is it? Oh, okay. Yay, I got one thing to. Yes. Yay, happy mood. Part D?
Oh my god.
Part D correct. Oh, very good. Yeah, looks like I need to go through part C only. Sorry. It's okay. Let's I will do this together. Okay, part E. So for part E, okay, I have this two. Okay, so I will just differentiate straight away. So if I differentiate the first one, Elisa, if I differentiate the first one, what do you have?
Eight. I got 3x squared plus 2x.
That's okay. You keep the second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then now I will need to keep the first one. And then I differentiate the second part, which is?
Minus 2 times x plus 1 power negative 3.
Okay, so if I differentiate the bracket here, okay, it just gave me 1, so I don't want to write that. Okay, so this is all I have now. So now, what do I have?
So I got my first line correct.
Yeah. So what is the common factor here?
X plus 1 power negative 3.
Yes.
Is that it?
Negative 3, yeah. Where's my negative? I thought I want to use eraser, okay. Minus 3 is my common factor. So what do I learn for the first one? Okay, I left this for the first part. Then the second part I will be left with minus 2. Okay, I left this for the
But
second.
isn't it like plus negative 2 times da? No?
Yeah, so it's minus 2.
I put plus bracket minus 2
Same
close
thing.
bracket, then you times again.
Same thing.
Ah,
Yes, they are the
okay.
same. So you have to simplify the bracket for me. So this is what?
I got like 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared.
2x squared, right?
Yeah, then plus 3x squared.
Oh, okay. Yeah, wait. Then, no, I want to, do that all together. I lazy. So this is 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x squared. That is 5x squared plus 2x minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared. On the right, the tiny black color one. So this is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x.
Yeah, I got that also. How come it's wrong?
You need to simplify, lah, dear. I got common factor.
Even more?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Different is not differentiate. Simplify this is x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so now I want to bring this one below.
How you got 1, 2x? Like at the third line, 1 plus 2x.
I got one loss sheet. 2x. Okay, then I have this one. Okay, not done yet, this one.
Oh my god, so the factorize bunch.
Ta-da! Final answer. You just have to keep factorize.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I was close. I made it until like 1, 2, 3, 4. Until fourth line, at least.
Yeah, then you need to continue to simplify. Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's look at quotient rule. Okay, so that's your question 13. So I have this one. Okay, so remember your quotient rule is this. Okay, this is your quotient rule. So what should I do for this one here? First thing, take denominator square. Okay, then the denominator will bring up, so it's 2x plus 1 times differentiate of numerator. So differentiate 3x here. Differentiate 3x is just 3. Okay, then I need to minus, copy your numerator, then times the differentiate of the denominator. So differentiate 2x plus 1, which is 2. So what do I have here? 6x plus 3 minus 6x. I'm done. Yeah, yeah. This is a simple one.
I don't get it.
Why? It sounds like the
Wait, V is the bottom one.
Yeah, denominator.
Bottom one, then you oh, then you differentiate the
Numerator, yes.
then minus
Mm.
top and differentiate bottom.
Mm.
Oh my God, so confusing. And then everything over what? Over bottom squared?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, this is your quotient rule. Okay, I also don't like this one. Okay, but no choice. Sometimes your questions say use quotient rule.
Isn't that more fun?
Yeah, as long as anything more than 2 lines, right? Like the fraction kind, I don't like to write already.
It's 13, right?
Yeah, 13A. Mm. I think recently got more kids, so better take care of yourself. I thought there's like 3 community cases yesterday. Yeah, one is the airport aviation office or something. Yeah, then I think he went for vaccination yesterday. Then on the same day, he tested positive for COVID-19. Yeah, it was on the news. I don't know. It was on the news. I think that's how I read it. If I didn't read wrongly. No. So he trying to get the vaccination. Then after that, I don't know how the thing, probably you must do the test before, right? Then after that, you will know the result, right? Then that same day, he confirmed with a positive for COVID-19.
So the vaccine that went to his body was useless.
Think so. Yeah, I think if you really got something, right, the vaccination won't help. Sad. Okay, Elisa done, right?
Ms Duan, you know your first Y, right? Like the second line. Your second line. Isn't
Oh,
it
sorry.
supposed to be dy over dx?
Yes, correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Hey. That right? Can you
Yeah.
resolve?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, more than one way to do this also. It depends on how you want to do it. You can use the same thing like what you did for product rule. So for part B, let's say I have this. So this is your U, this is your V. Okay, so I can find du dx, which is 3. dv dx, which is -1. Then I plug into the formula straight away. Okay, so v is 1 minus x. du dx is 3 minus, okay, u is 3x plus 2 times dv dx, which is -1 over v squared. So this is, where is my pen? Okay. So this one will give me this is -2 plus 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so you can do the same for the rest of the questions for C, D, E, F. I think still have time now.
Hey, Ms Duan, the part C, right?
Mm-mm.
Your v square is just, you just double square the thing, is it?
Yes, correct. Open
Huh?
bracket square again.
So it becomes like x4.
No, you don't expand.
Huh?
You don't expand. You just
Okay.
bracket the whole thing and square.
Okay.
Your answer will not be here.
No, I'm thinking.
Mm.
Also for quotient law, like everything, the end of the answer is always gonna be like something bracket with a square.
For the denominator.
Huh? Okay.
You don't try to expand. If you try to expand, then yeah, you are in deep trouble.
Okay.
Where is my pen again? Hello. Okay.
Cannot expand, right?
Denominator, you don't.
Then the on top one,
The on top one can expand and simplify. Okay, how was it?
Wait, still doing.
Any? Okay, part C finish or not?
Yeah.
Part C, do I have
E
this?
now.
Okay, so Patsy, both of you got the correct answer.
Yeah.
Okay, good news. Hattie doing
D also correct.
D correct.
Yeah. I'm
You
doing E
didn't.
now.
You didn't take out x or you didn't take out x squared. So you have 4x cubed plus 3x squared, is it? So you need to know, you need to factorize. Yes, it's much. You read your question, simplify and factorize your answers where possible. Okay. Okay, so that one now applies to all your differentiation now. Although during exam your question may not say until to that extent, but it's by default you need to simplify and factorize. Yeah, it's by default one. Okay, so which means this is correct, like just that you never factorize only. Okay. Yay. Okay.
E I got correct.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I got F correct.
Which one? E or F? check your paper now, you take note of the answers. Okay. Homework. Okay, finish the last two questions. 40 must use quotient rule. 50 any rules. You can use product rule or quotient rule. Okay, no restriction. So there are about 10 questions. Okay, so please finish this. Sorry? Can do or cannot do? Which one? Oh, F correct, is it? E, F cannot do.
E I do, cannot do. F I never do.
Ah, okay. E, you do, cannot do. Means you do, but you don't have the answer. Correct, right? Okay. Okay, let's do a quick one for E. Okay, at least you can go back and think. Hey, but I thought E is easy. Okay, so for E, right? Remember, denominator is square, right? So is power 4. Differentiate numerator is 1 minus x. Differentiate denominator is 2, 1 plus x. That's what I have. So I have 1 plus x. Okay, I have 1 plus x minus 2x.
Oh.
So if I simplify this, is 1 minus x. And can I? Okay, can. If no questions, Elisa, remember the homework, then you can drop off.
Huh?
Yeah, that ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, get well soon, ah. Okay.
Bye, thank you.
Bye. Okay, so this is done. Okay, don't want to see my face.